Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma. Happy Tuesday. I'm making something easy tonight, but I had the Garden Delight. I got this, and it's got enriched carrot, tomatoes, and spinach pasta from dried vegetables. And this is what I got. It's by Ronzoni, and I got I'm already put in the bowl, so you wouldn't have to wait to see it boil, because you know how to boil. So this is it in the bowl. I'm going to make a salad. I'm going to make a tuna salad for dinner tonight. So I'm cutting up a tomato. Let me push this down so you can see what I'm doing. I think I'm cutting a tomato. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're doing fine, and I hope it was a beautiful day. It was cold and damp yesterday. It's been that way off and on, but today they fooled me. It was a beautiful day. I didn't get out, but I did a lot of things. I changed my bedroom around, wrote some letters. Still got to pay a bill, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'll walk out to the post office. So I'm putting the tomatoes in. And I'm doing just a little bit, putting the tomatoes in, and these tomatoes are not as thick as I thought they would be. But they're nice. They're nice tomatoes, though. I don't know where my daughter got these from, but they're really nice, quite nice. So I'm putting the tomatoes in, and I'm going to have to run this off a little bit. So bear with me. Things always seem to happen. But, so like I said, how's everybody doing? And I hope this is nice. Got the trash can right next to me, because that can get messy sometimes. And I've got an onion. And a cucumber. Just enough onion to make it. Chopping up the onion. And this is like a summer salad, although it's not summer, but it's an easy salad to make. And sometimes you just don't feel like, well, of course you got to cook the macaroni, but you don't feel like, you got to cook the pasta, but you don't feel like doing anything. You just kind of get it in there. And so, because of that, I just decided that I would do it this way. And just see what happens. So, all right, so I got that done. I'm going to scoop that in. I've washed my hands and everything, trust me. I'm going to use the cucumber. And I'm only going to use half of it. I'll save this for later. I'm not going to put some mozzarella cheese in it, but I don't have to go to the refrigerator for that. I thought I took it out, but I didn't. I may have to go to the refrigerator for that. But let's cut the cucumber. All the sharp knives in the house, and I had to get this one. And this one's usually sharp, so apparently I'm doing something wrong there. Okay, there you go. Okay, these are going in. Let's just empty all this out right now into the bowl. Now, this packet of tuna right here, bumblebee tuna, it's the light premium light tuna in water. I got this from the dollar store, believe it or not. The same ones that you get in the regular store. And I actually tore it open. Voila. And I'm going to use this as a binder for it, so to speak. But you can put chicken in it. You can put whatever you want in it. Or just leave it alone as just a plain salad. You can serve this with crackers. You can serve this with bread. Any kind of thing. And it makes a beautiful salad. You can put more in it if you wish. I got all the salad out. Got all the tuna out. All right. Now, I'm going to put in some red pepper flakes. Just a little, just to make it, give it kind of a, you know, some Italian flair. You know, some Italian seasoning. It's about a teaspoonful. Some salt. I can't. Let me move this so you can see me putting it in. I'll put this in the sink when I get out. Here we go. Some salt. That would be about a teaspoon and a half. A little bit of garlic salt. And some pepper. Oh, and some thyme too. I forgot about that. Okay, and I gotta go get the mozzarella, but I'm gonna put this in there. And this is the thyme. Just a little sprinkle. Get the mozzarella. I'll be right back. So I've got to bring the cutting board back. I'm glad I didn't go because I got to cut up the mozzarella. I'm glad I didn't get rid of it. So he bought this. He bought this, and I like this one. I also dropped one. Well, I'll pick it up later. I'm going to cut this up. This is the mozzarella. Cut it up in little pieces. You see cheese, you know you got to eat it. I love cheese. And I'm going to show you at some point how to make the cheese. Pull up a little bit. Yeah. And that's really all I'm going to put in it. You can put so many things in here though. Carrots, grated carrots. Have a little piece of cheese. That's my salad. Now we're going to stir this out. And break the tuna fish in it. I'm stirring it. And I'm making sure that my hair doesn't get in it. I have to get my hair cut sometime next week or the week after. So that's all mixed up. The tuna's in it. The cheese is in it. So I'm going to take a little taste. I haven't put any dressing on it because my husband likes mayonnaise on. He likes the old way, the mayonnaise on his salad. So, and I like something else. So, having said that, I'm going to taste some with the cheese. That's good. I like that. Okay, so it's a salad. Simple, but good. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.